It's day 4 of Cat Week, everybody.
Meow.
Coincidentally, it is also Throwback Thursday today, so I thought we could take a little look back at some of my favorite cat videos. And these are some that perhaps you've seen before, but they're my favorites. Cats like tight spaces. This cat really enjoys a tight space. Almost. Almost in. Almost. Lit. And. Almost. There we go. In. Yeah. That's how I feel putting my skinny jeans on in the morning. Here's a cat. This is really impressive. Take a look at this cat with good balance, trying to get, it's got like a duster, a brand new duster, plastic still on it, somehow needs to get to another area with that brand new duster. And will not let go. Will not let go of that duster. And here, oh, come on. I won't let go of this duster. I refuse. And I've made it. That's like from 1957. Maybe that was the first cat video ever made, and they started it all. All right, one more. Look at this. Oh. All right, never mind. Here. So slow. All right. Okay. Let me tell you who's lucky enough to be here for Cat Week. You've seen him in his underwear. Mark Wahlberg is here. Mark. And you've also seen him in his underwear. Nick Jonas is here. Their people sent us those pictures. That's what they wanted.